going back to Toothless. Hey, your dragon just shot at us. Yes, I know. I told him to.
If you so much as touch us, Hiccup is gonna kick.
Hiccup? He's no problem. Really? Trust me.
He's only the son of Stoic the Vast, his heir to the throne, Burke, and the greatest dragon master this world has ever seen.
Dragon Master. I alone control the dragons. No, sorry. You want to give this another shot? Toothless, it'll be fine. Ready? Listen to you. But you know, there is something out
Did you have to do this? I was thinking that you could be trusted. Did you have to ruin what was shiny? Now it's all rusted. Did you have to hit me?
I am the Night Fury Killer. I hunted every last one but yours. You are going to give me that dragon. I will never give him up. badly. You tried your best, but you are nothing without your dragon. I'm sorry, Button, for everything.
Whoa, look at that. It's beautiful. Hiccup, did you do this?
No?
The bowl! It's empty!
Toothless? Can it be? Toothless! And then it hit me. Our loved ones are always nearby when we hold them in our hearts.